Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host, James. Now, if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing. If you like the content, make sure to hit the bell for notifications to get my future videos, give a thumbs up, and leave an awesome comment. Now today, we've got another great one for you, and another super simple recipe as well. We're gonna be doing baked potatoes in the air fryer, the Power Air Fryer Pro, the new Nutella one. That they came out with a little while ago, but it's the newest edition of it. And how we're going to do them is, well, how they come out is that the skin turns out really crispy, almost like a French fry, and the inside is super soft. Now, I don't know if you like to eat the skin of the potato, but I absolutely love it if it's cooked right. And this is gonna be awesome. So the outside is gonna be super crispy. So get some of those potatoes in there, and then you can dig into the skin as well. It's almost like a fried potato skin. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. All right, so this is what we got. We got two just medium-sized potatoes. So not large, not small, but just medium size. What you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and rinse them off, scrub some of the the dirt and all that stuff. Make sure to get them pretty clean, and make sure to get them dry before we air fry these things. But the cutting board right now looks super lonely with only two potatoes on it for sure. I try to get two that were the same exact size and dimensions, but this is as close as I can get. Don't matter. So all we're gonna do with these two potatoes, and can't believe how easy this is, but anyway, we're not gonna use tin foil or anything. There's our air fryer rack, and there's our potatoes. So that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and go to the air fryer. All right, so we are at the air fryer. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. We got our couple of potatoes here. We're gonna go ahead and pop them in, close the door, turn that thing on. We're going up to 400 degrees. All right, now we're gonna go up to, let's get it up here, up to 60 minutes, all right, but that's not it. So we're actually going to be checking it here shortly, and then we'll take it to the next step. So 60 minutes so far, and we'll see you in a minute. Okay, we are 30 minutes in, as you can see, 30 minutes left. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and oh yeah, they're looking amazing. And all you're gonna want to do is just take these and give them 180 degree rotation right in place, just like that. Spin them around, put them back in, open that up, and go ahead and let it resume. We got 30 minutes left, and we'll see you then. Okay, so we are at 55 minutes. As you can see, there's 5 minutes left. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and take a look. Now, I did check at the 50-minute mark just to see, and they were pretty much done, but I just gave them 5 extra minutes. And let me get here. Oh yeah. And you hear that skin? Oh, that's butter in the middle. Perfect. All right, so let's take these to the cutting board, and let me show you how to build these so that they're set there for a minute. And yeah, let's show you how to build these. We're gonna put some well, all kinds of stuff. Let's show you. Okay, so we got a potato here. Now let's go ahead and build this for you, because this is the way that I really like to do it. This thing is still super hot. Just grab yourself a knife or something and go ahead and cut it. Now you don't want to obviously cut it all the way, about 3/4 of the way down, just so you can open that thing up. Yes, just like that. All right, up a little more. There we go. Now, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and actually, let me see if I can zoom you guys in here just a little more. There we go. And what you're going to want to do, and the skin is crispy and friggin' awesome. Anyway, go ahead and take your fork. Go ahead and get in where the potato is. Go ahead and scoop some of that out all over, and get it right in the middle so it's nice and fluffy. Oh yeah, so you got, and there's still potato inside there. And next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and grab some cheese. All right, put a little bit of cheese in there. Now that cheese will melt by the time you are done making this thing. So a little bit of cheese, and obviously we cannot forget about the butter. Got some butter here. That's going to go right on top, and that is going to melt as well. This thing is super hot. So we got cheese, and we got butter. Now you cannot forget a little salt and pepper. And with some pepper, some salt. Perfect. All right, now from here what you're going to want to do is get a little dollop of, oh, here we go, right here, some sour cream. All right, now if you don't like sour cream, obviously you don't have to use sour cream, but you know, get yourself a nice little dollop right there on top, just like that. Oh, the cheese is already melting, and it already smells delicious. So you got a little bit of sour cream on top. From there, you're going to want to go in with just a tad more bit of cheese on top, if you like, you know, just a little bit. You don't have to do that. Then we're going to go in with some, I got some bacon bits here. Oh yeah, some bacon bits. Woo! Gotta have some bacon bits. And then I like to go ahead and top it off with, now you can use chives or whatever. I just got some green onion. Just some regular green onion that I chopped up. Actually, I need to chop a little more, a couple more pieces here. Yeah. It gives a good color and great flavor. Love that. All right. So that is our potato. And this thing, the cheese, you can see on the bottom. Let me see if I can get you a little closer here. The cheese on the bottom is already melting. We move some of this stuff right here. And by the time you dig into this thing, you can forget about it. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Look at that thing. Now, the skin is, let me get this over here real quick. Nope, some sour cream. Anyway, the skin is super crisp. Now, when we bite into this, the skin is going to taste like a fried potato skin. It's going to be so crispy and delicious. I want to eat this whole thing in one bite. It's freaking phenomenal. So anyway, that's what it is. There you go. There is your baked potato, and looks phenomenal. So next thing is we're gonna go ahead and bring you up top. See you in a minute. Okay, so we are finished with the cook, and look at what we ended up with. I don't know if we can get a good lighting picture. Look at that. And you can see some of that cheese, even the cheese we put on top of the other cheese is already starting to melt. This thing's still steamy, but that's phenomenal. And it's really unfortunate though, because cooking this for you guys, because I am on a keto diet and I've been on it for a couple of weeks, just trying to lose, you know, a little bit of weight and stuff. And yeah, very unfortunate I had to cook this for you guys. I mean, should I take a bite? I mean, if I take one bite, that's probably going to be all my carbs for the whole day. But you know what? For you guys, I'm going to go ahead and dive in. I'm not even going to take a fork or nothing. I'm just going to take this whole potato. Well, I'm going to take one bite out of it, just like this. Whew, all right, I'll have to eat a big salad tonight. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to take a bite of this thing. Oh man! Woo-wee! Excuse me. All right, guys. Sorry about that. I had sour cream and stuff all over my face. I'll wipe that off. But I am so tempted to smash this rest of this potato. I'm gonna have to give it to somebody else. It's so many carbs, but I'm gonna be back eating regular here pretty soon. This is gonna be one of the first frickin' things I make. Oh, it's so dang good. The outside is crispy like a fried potato skin, and the inside is so soft with the butter, that cheese, and all the cheese all melted almost instantly. The sour cream, you could use chives. You don't have to use sour cream. You can put whatever you want on it. This is how I like it, and it's absolutely phenomenal. You can talk about with some steak or some meat, or by itself. You can make this just by itself. Like you've seen, I picked it up just like this and started eating it. Absolutely amazing. Super, super good. So anyway, that's how you do an air fried potato in the Power Air Fryer Pro 10-in-1. Now, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Hit the bell for notifications to get my future videos. Give a thumbs up. Leave an awesome comment. And with that being said, unfortunately, I won't be enjoying the rest of this one, even though I really want to. We'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.